Giving thanks to God is a lifestyle. It is not an activity that we do on a Sunday morning. It is a life we live every day. And Jesus told us, in this world you shall have many troubles, but be of good cheer. Let your heart be full of peace. Let your heart be full of gratitude. Let your heart be full of thanksgiving. For I have overcome the world, and He has overcome it for us. So in this world, there are different seasons. There are tough seasons. There are also easy seasons. There are glorious seasons. But there are also seasons of trial. But there is one thing that is constant. In all these seasons, God expects us to continually give thanks to Him, to continually bless His name, even when it looks like there is nothing physical to give thanks to Him for. The Word of God commands us we should bless Him. We should give thanks to God. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and do not forget His benefits. Psalm chapter 103. Psalm chapter 103. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and do not forget His benefits.